Good day to everyone watching. We are the PBL team called PBL506, and today we are excited to present our project. Next, our project manager is Mr. Anthony Haikal and project owner is Mr. Irfan Syarif. It have guided us throughout this process. Our team members include Muhammad Raihan Ferdyansyah, Arian Vemana Putra, Muhammad Farhandi Rahim, Restu Rhomadhon, and Cyriil Lihardo Purba. Next, and then our project PBL is focuses on building a CTI dashboard using the Open CTI framework. This dashboard integrates the resource to provide real-time threat insights and automated updates on malicious activities, IPS, and vulnerabilities. Next, I will hand it to over. I will hand it over to Fuad to explain the project output.
Okay, thank you, David. For the project output, agreed upon with the client, here are the 4 points. The first is server email blacklisting. We use the MX toolbox connector to integrate with the CTI dashboard that we will create. And the second is Google Doc automation, where previously the Ministry of Communication and Information carried out the manual check. Here we will integrate the Google Doc connector into OpenCTI. And third is malware detection. Just like the previous point, we will use the virus total connector to automate the check with the CTI dashboard. And the last point is threat IP addresses. We use the abuse IPDB connector to identify IPs that are suspected of carrying unwanted threats. And those are the project output points that we will work on. Then below we can see together a screenshot of the CTI dashboard. And for the next slide, it will be explained by our colleague Muhammad Raihan Ferdyansyah.
Okay, thank you, Puat. And this is project phase. First is preparation. We discuss with the project owner and project manager, then do research related to the project to be worked as such a platform for building a CTI dashboard. Okay, a second is implementation. First, do the CTI dashboard configuration. Second, connector to the dashboard. Finally, test and fix if error are found. Third is document paste. Make a report on installation and configuration step related to the project being carried out. Okay, next explained by Arian.
Okay, thank you. There is a slide that is a history of the project work that we have done, such as holding meetings with the project manager online or offline, then holding a big discussion with the project manager and project owner via the WhatsApp platform. After that, we held an offline meeting with the project owner to discuss the project owner list for our PBL. After that, we create the CTI dashboard platform using the OpenCTI dashboard. And finally, we deploy OpenCTI in the TA lab. Currently, our progress is 35%. Next, this slide will be explained by Farhandi.
Okay, thank you, Arian. The next slide is project constraint that we have 3 points. So the first point is lack of knowledge for connecting non-connectors to OpenCTI dashboard. And then we have understanding of configuration file in creating OpenCTI dashboard. Then the third is performance issues because deploying requires large computer resource. And the next slide will be read by Cyriil.
Okay, thank you. Job member description is first David, this research, create dashboard OpenCTI and deploying OpenCTI. Raihan, researching and creating dashboard OpenCTI, also create trial and error. Arian, researching and documentation. Farhandi, researching and documentation. Fuad, research and creating dashboard. And the last is me, research, creating dashboard OpenCTI and deploying OpenCTI. Next is our next plan. First is the ideas. We are going to adding required tools to OpenCTI dashboard via connectors. And we will create installation report, configuration step of project we work on.